So this is how to buy Avalanche crypto in Canada using Robinhood. So once Robinhood is open, go to the bottom in the middle and press the search icon. Once you're here at the top where it says explore, search by name or symbol, go ahead and type in the word Avalanche or ticker symbol AVAX and then select it. Once it is selected at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then in the top right where it says market order, you can then choose to do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Avalanche. I would just keep it at Canadian dollars for this demonstration. And then you can type in the amount of Avalanche that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 for an example and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order. You can see how much Avalanche crypto you're buying, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit. So that is how you guys can buy Avalanche crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.